Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to do a triple crochet, also called a treble crochet. You will want to chain any multiples of your desire. For this tutorial, I am going to be doing 20 chains and struggling a little bit as I go, but that's okay. That's the fun part about crocheting. It never needs to be perfect. Unless it's that one project that absolutely needs to be perfect and you unravel it and keep doing it over and over again. So here we are at our 20 chains. We are going to want to do 4 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll be working in the 5th chain from the hook. So we'll want to yarn over once, yarn over twice, insert our hook, pull through 1 loop, 2 loops, 2 loops, and 2 loops. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull through 1, 2, 2 and 2. So it's the 1, 2, 2, 2 method. So here we go again, 2 and 2. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull through 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. And sometimes making a triple crochet can be very difficult of trying to get your hook just to go through 2 loops at a time. I know this is one of those projects that I struggle with sometimes. I make it look really easy, but I definitely can guarantee that I mess this up halfway through filming it. So just take your time and just enjoy the crochet. I'm just gonna speed it up super quick so we can finish this first row. So here we are at the end. Yarn over twice, insert 1, 2, 2, 2. All right, and here we go. It'll roll just a little bit, but this is how it'll pretty much end up looking. So let's go ahead and start a second row. So we will end up chaining 4 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull through 1, 2, 2 and 2. Yarn over twice, insert 1, 2, 2, 2. And see how it's coming along? It's getting that nice textured look. That's what we're after. All right, let's finish this row. And here we are at the end. Yarn over twice, insert your hook. 2, 2 and 2. And this is how you do a triple crochet. Super easy, and it's fun. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, and I hope you have a happy crochet day with your triple crochet stitch.